Stand by for action.
Welcome to the bridge on board the Disney Fantasy. The bridge is the central command station on the ship and is equipped with state-of-the-art safety, navigation, maneuvering, and communication equipment. Let's take a closer look. The safety control system monitors the extensive network of safety devices installed throughout the ship. This system is tied into over 8,000 smoke detectors, over 1,000 fire screen doors, and over 70 watertight doors. A touchscreen display allows the ship's captain and officers the ability to zoom in to certain locations to get a better understanding of what's going on in each area on board the ship. The navigation console helps control the speed and heading of the ship. This system is a digital representation of paper charts, and from here we plan our voyages and monitor our passage. A differential GPS determines our position by receiving and calculating satellite signals. A speed log indicates our speed through the water and over the ground. The steering wheel can also be used to manually control the ship's heading as needed. The engine telegraph has two handles that are used to control the propellers at the stern of the ship, which ultimately affects how fast the ship is moving through the water. These also determine whether the ship is moving ahead or astern, the same as forward or reverse in your car. Thruster controls are used to move the ship sideways, mainly during port maneuvers. This ship contains 5 thrusters, 3 forward and 2 aft. These systems display important data regarding the available power for the thrusters, and they also provide information about the rudder and propulsion of the ship. This panel controls and monitors the ship's stabilizers, which are designed to minimize the rolling movement of the ship. Radar is another important tool used to monitor the traffic and weather around the ship. Radar also helps to navigate and fix the ship's position at sea when within range of shore. When the ship is in port, radar can monitor and regulate the ship's movements in busy waters. Some radar features include ARPA, which is used to assist with collision avoidance, and AIS, which gives further detail about the other vessels in the area. As you can see, the captain and his officers use quite a bit of amazing technology every day to ensure a safe voyage for our guests and crew. Thank you for joining us on our tour of the bridge. Now, it's time to go back up on deck and enjoy the rest of your cruise.